Welcome to our video guide on how to hibernate your LinkedIn account using the mobile app. Whether you're seeking a temporary break from the platform or need to step away for personal reasons, hibernating your LinkedIn account. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings. After that, tap on Account Preferences. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Hibernate Account and tap on it. Scroll down again and click on Hibernate. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a reason for hibernating your account. Select the appropriate reason and tap Next. Then, enter your account password to confirm your identity. Finally, tap on Hibernate Account to complete the process. Your LinkedIn profile will now be temporarily hidden from others, and you won't receive notifications or messages. You can reactivate your account at any time by logging back in. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.